In this class we will know the interface of Inventor 2015, which is fundamental for navigation in the software, and we will also see some novelties implemented in this version. Come on, let's go. As soon as we access the Inventor, we noticed an important novelty, the home screen of the software, which is called Home and allows you to create the following types of projects. Parts, which are 3D models obtained from sketches. Assemblies, which are sets of parts. And details, drawings, which are the design sheets made available to the factory. You can also access recently used files with the Recently Used option. See that we can apply filters and sort this list as shown. With Project we can adjust the folders and patterns of the projects created. See that here we have a list of different types available by Inventor, and we can opt for a new file. Opt by Browse. For more details when creating a new project, we can also access the New option. Here we have different templates options to create a new project. Each project type has a different file format. Note. On the left we can access the standards of units of measurement, such as English and metric. And on the right we have the types of projects. In part we have the IPT, in assembly we have the IAM, in drawing we have the DWG. And we have also available a new option, Presentation, to create animations for project presentations. This we have available in the format IPN. At the bottom of the window we can select the project file as well. We select the standard option of the part and click on Create. Note that Inventor loads the working tools compatible with the selected template, in this case, for the creation of the part. Let's create a model in the part type to check this out. Now let's look at the interface of Inventor 2015. The organization of the interface has suffered few variations from previous versions of the software. We start with the tabs, located at the top of the screen. See that we can navigate between them by clicking with the mouse, and see that in each tab we have several commands, grouped according to their function. For each group of commands we have a specific bar. Note, for example, the Sketch tab, where we have some bars available. Each bar contains, by default, a group of tools, with similar functions or belonging to the same mode of work. See that below we have the Open Project tabs, as well as the My Home option. By clicking on it, we return to the home screen. Here on this screen we have some options related to Inventor as a whole. As we have already seen, in Get Started we can access New to create new projects. In Open we can open project files. With projects we can configure the defaults of project types. In Open Samples we opened an Autodesk web page, where we have some examples of projects available. In Home we open the home screen of the program. We also have other options available. We will see a little more about some options in the next classes. We return to the project and note that we have, on the left side, the browser, where all the stages of construction of a piece are stored. All created entities are added to the browser according to the sequence of modeling operations. This allows editing on sketches and solid profiles at any time. And finally, we have the graphic area, or desktop, which is defined as the entire area used to create sketches, Solid models, assemblies and detailing. We close this class, where we know some news of this version and its interface. It is important that we know the software interface, as it will facilitate learning, and the location of the software resources.